Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, so market was very volatile today. As we discussed already yesterday, market was really volatile. So it came from here at 9:30, then it started going up bullish. It has closed in a very good space. That is, we can see there is a huge buying pressure here. Okay, these candles, good consolidation, push, pull back, push. So it was really good. Okay, and here I did not make any entries because it was in the last moment, so I did not do any entries. But tomorrow I'll definitely look forward to make entries. So I'll tell you my entries here is if market gaps up or opens flat or gaps down, if it breaches around 22,205 to 207, or let's keep 22,200, I'll be looking forward to buy this and I'll be holding it. Okay, it's at all-time high. It's totally fine. Some people say it is bubble, this, that, but I don't. Market doesn't work like that. It doesn't go on their emotions. Okay, so this is a very good thing. Let's see how it works tomorrow. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it did close here in a very good way and it did come down. I was expecting it to come till here, but there was a support here, which is good. Sometimes this kind of errors happen. We can't be precise. Okay, I captured till 1:2 and I exited. So basically I captured this one candle itself. I captured and exited. I did not keep any what to say. I captured in this pullback. Okay, this pullback I entered 1:2. I captured and I exited because I didn't have enough time, and this happened very quick. Very quick it happened. Then I did not hold the trade because I was kind of out, so I did not do that. That is the only reason. So tomorrow my actions are in Bank Nifty will be like this. So if you see, these are some very looks like valid trend line. Yeah, this looks like valid trend line because breakout tried happening, then came down. If you see it in 4 hours also. Yeah, we are joining 3, but this can be valid, this can be invalid sometimes. So let's see how this goes. Tomorrow we will be buying. So if you guys see, it's in the mid place. So I'm not interested to buy anywhere here. It can become volatile, go up, come down, go up. I don't want to buy or sell, do anything here. So after it crosses 47,315 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. My stop loss will be 100 points, something like that. And this is the low I wanted to break, only then I'll be selling it. So it has to break 46,295 and below for me to sell it. If it sells, I have a huge space here for me to short it. My target will be till this. Yeah, that's it for Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, it's a key level strategy happening here. Too many lines, I know, too many lines. This is a trend line, that is a trend line. Too many trend lines are going here. Let's see where we're trading. So if you see, our key level strategy has worked. Once it has worked, given 1:2, again it has tried breaching, but this got stop loss hit. So where will I be buying here? So this is becoming very consolidating, which is really good, because after this kind of a move from how many days, 9 days, it's in the same place. Market's in the same place for 9 days, which is really good. After that we can expect a move, but it is at a resistance. Okay, it's at a resistance. So if this level gets broken, okay, if this level gets broken, that is $78.70 and above, if it gets broken, we can definitely look forward for a target of $82. Okay, if it breaks $75 and below, we can short it, nothing before that, because there's a volatility zone. It can definitely hit stop losses easily, so don't short it till then. Okay, next is gold. I'm still waiting. If you guys see, it is giving a very bad time. Gold, it is on the same place from 3 days, and it's creating a box kind of a, if you guys see this in 1 hour time frame, it is creating a box kind of a scenario here. This is a box which is formed. It has to really cross this level, guys, only then we can trade gold. Okay, so again my gold levels are same, only after 240, that is 2040 and 2015 and below. These are the levels for gold. We have 5 stocks for swing trading. Keep Havells India in your watch list, which has a very high potential of giving a breakout now, because if you guys see, we have tested the resistance thrice already. Okay, we have tested it thrice. Now we are waiting for it to go up. Once it breaks, I'm expecting a momentum like this. Okay, I'll enter immediately once it breaks. I won't be waiting for it to retest. Next is Harsha Engineering. Harsha Engineering gave a good breakout today, which is really good. So tomorrow I'll be entering it. If I get a price of 4 35 to 420, I'll be looking forward to buy this, and my stop loss will be at 411 or 410. Okay, next is JSW Infra. JSW Infra is given a breakout here. This breakout, if it survives, if it gives one or two candle, I'll be looking forward to buy it. So if I get a price of 243 to 245, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at just a minute. This is the swing low, so this should be the stop loss. Stop loss will be at 228. Okay, it's fine. Swing trading, so 20-30% also is totally fine, because we don't know the upside momentum. Next is Tirumala Chemicals. Tirumala Chemical has given a breakout today, which is really good. It's a strong breakout. If you guys see it on a weekly time frame, it's a very strong breakout. On a daily time frame, we have some resistance here. Let me draw it really quick. This is the resistance which was broken. Really good. Okay, so if I get a price of 270 to 250, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 223 because of this swing under the swing low. Some people can keep it here at 209, but I'm totally fine here. If it comes down, it's totally fine, because I play around with my position sizing, so I don't have an issue on that. Next is Suryodaya Small Finance Bank on a daily time frame. If you guys see, the all-time high is trying to get broken here. So if it breaks and survives 196 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, but it has to survive one or two candles for me to enter, because what happens in bank stocks is it goes up, 4-5 candles down, goes up, 4-5 candles down. If you see this, goes up, candles down. After this, I will enter. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. This is just my view on the market. This is not a call or a recommendation. This is how I'm going to trade. This is just my trading plan. So please use this only as references, and please properly manage your risk and trade. Try staying in the game, which is really good. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Please share as much as possible. Only then I'll be able to reach my audience. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.